izquierdo es por Heredia.
Era como un gallinero pequeño. Sí.
Ah, sí, tenés toda la razón, sí.
Ahí no hay.
That's
no
coffee.
muesas, ¿verdad?
No, son jocotes.
Abajo había.
¿A dónde?
Ahí mismo, pero bueno, vamos, tal vez encontramos de.
Bueno, vamos a ver.
Lo que parece nada, pero.
Es la casita de campo, qué linda. Sí, sí. También la cantó aquel español, Rafa. Rafael.
Yeah, I think I saw a sign where it was selling strawberries when we were coming up. Yeah, Costa Rica does better than its neighbors, you know? Like all these other countries you see going up to the Mexican border, you don't really see Costa Rican up there, you know? Going up to the U.S. border,
Right, yeah.
like Honduras, Guatemala, El Salvador.
Very few.
Yeah, what it is, like you said, the wild is unevenly shared.
Yeah.
That's what it is, you know. The vice president is sent to Mexico, to I think Guatemala. I'm not sure she was in Honduras, but those are the countries that have severe problems with a lot of corruption.
Those are coming from the United States.
A lot of corruption, and their people don't have enough jobs to survive. So they're forced to, you know.
But get the guns free from the United States.
Yeah, but Mexico is a very huge country, and imagine going through the whole of Mexico from the south of Mexico to the north, just to get into the United States. Wow, that's really amazing.
When people are desperate, you know, and you know this is mostly to do with children.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. So it tells you that they can't provide for their family, so they're willing to take any risk.
That's what I was telling. That's what I was telling somebody. I said I once saw a show called The Serengeti, where these animals in Africa, the eastern part of Africa, they have to make this trip every year.
Right.
And even though they know that the alligators are waiting to eat them, they still go through the water. You know, and they know that okay, the alligators are gonna eat like a few, but not all. And that's what they do.
The wildebeest and all that stuff.
So they go through and they wade through, and then the alligator, crocodile waiting right there for them.
And usually they get the ones at the back.
Yeah.
It's like the alligators can read, you know?
Right.
They don't get the ones coming in the front, the ones at the back.
The ones in the back.
And the lions do the same thing to them.
And they know they're waiting for them in the water, you know, to eat them.
Everybody think based on the better art.
Qué increíble, aquí que es tan frío y yo pensé, no, yo vi sol.
It's a good view there.
Viviendo amor ante la gente.
Esa música sí era bonita.
¿Ah?
Esa música sí era linda, esa música de antes.
Look at all that cattle. Wow.
Sí, es que esa musiquita es toda vieja, toda. A mí me gusta esa cosa. Por eso me gusta esa emisora, Dola. Buena, ¿verdad?
¿Cuál es?
Es Sinfonola 90.3.
Oh, ok.
Es del mismo dueño del Rumbo de Cartago.
Ah,
Y ha pegado mucho, está en unos primeros lugares. ¿Sí? Mucha gente nos gusta esa música.
mora,
¿Qué?
fresas.
Ah, no se ve. No, solo dulces.
No, ahí la lista decía.
Ah,
Por eso la muchacha estaba llamando a la que estaba adentro, como vio que como que iba a parar.
ya, ajá. Sí, pero es que yo me asomé y vi solo dulces.
En la parte, como que lo ponen más en la parte de abajo.
Ah, ya. Para que no se vea.
Natilla, yogur, leche, queso.
Mira, delegación de los Cartagos. Esto es largo, los Cartagos.
¿Ah?
Esto es largo, los Cartagos. Esto es un pueblillo que se llama Los Cartagos.
Ah, eso es.
Ah, sí, entonces se había derrumbado todo cuando el terremoto. Creo que le dieron casa al gobierno, pero en muchos lados. Se les había derrumbado todo. Ah, preocupado, señor.
Natilla del cerdo.
Ah, eso es buena. Vea ya el bajo, ¿verdad?
¿El qué?
El bajo así, el barranco.
Ah, sí, sí, sí.
Ay, qué lindo.
There's
se
a
ve.
cattle there.
Ajá.
Those are
Right there, too.
farms over there. These are plants they export that they have it covered to protect it. Eso es sacarle más para pasto.
Ajá, ¿verdad? Y las engorda, las reses.